Android was started over a decade ago with a simple idea: transform computing for everyone. Android powers more than just phones. It's on tablets, watches, TVs, cars, and more. Now, the next step into the future is here. Advancements in AI are making interacting with computers more natural and conversational. This inflection point enables new extended reality devices like headsets and glasses to understand your intent and the world around you, helping you get things done in entirely new ways. Today, we're introducing Android XR, a new operating system built for this next generation of computing. Created in collaboration with Samsung, Android XR combines years of investment in AI, AR, and VR to bring helpful experiences to headsets and glasses. Working to create a vibrant ecosystem of developers and device makers for Android XR, it's built on the foundation that brought Android to billions. Today's release is a preview for developers, and by supporting tools like AR Core, Android Studio, Jetpack Compose, Unity, and OpenXR from the beginning, developers can easily start building apps and games for upcoming Android XR devices. For Qualcomm partners like Lynx, Sony, and Xreal, it's opening a path for the development of a wide array of Android XR devices to meet the diverse needs of people and businesses. And it's continuing to collaborate with Magic Leap on XR technology and future products with AR and AI. Android XR will first launch on headsets that transform how you watch, work, and explore. The first device, codenamed Project Muhan and built by Samsung, will be available for purchase next year. With headsets, you can effortlessly switch between being fully immersed in a virtual environment and staying present in the real world. You can fill the space around you with apps and content. And with Gemini, the AI assistant, you can even have conversations about what you're seeing or controlling your device. Gemini can understand your intent, helping you plan, research, and guide you through tasks. It's also reimagining some of your favorite Google apps for headsets. You can watch YouTube and Google TV on a virtual big screen, or relive your cherished memories with Google Photos in 3D. You'll be able to explore the world in new ways with Google Maps, soaring above cities and landmarks in immersive view. And with Chrome, multiple virtual screens will let you multitask with ease. You can even use Circle to search to quickly find information on whatever's in front of you with just a simple gesture. Plus, because it's Android, your favorite mobile and tablet apps from Google Play will work right out of the box, with even more apps, games, and immersive content made for XR arriving next year. Android XR will also support glasses for all-day help in the future. They want there to be lots of choices for stylish, comfortable glasses that we'll love to wear every day and that work seamlessly with our other Android devices. Glasses with Android XR will put the power of Gemini one tap away, providing helpful information right when you need it, like directions, translations, or message summaries without reaching for your phone. It's all within the line of sight or directly in your ear. Android XR is designed to be an open, unified platform for XR headsets and glasses. For users, this means more choice of devices and access to apps that they already know and love. For developers, it's a unified platform with opportunities to build experiences for a wide range of devices using familiar Android tools and frameworks.